Good morning, everybody. Well, it's not exact. It's morning for me at least. This is gonna be my first video because I had to delete my other first videos. Yeah. So hope you enjoy this video. And here's my sister's cat playing with a rock. Looky, where you going? Looky. Oh my. He's just running about. I just came out here and he's running. And I'm in my pajamas right now. See, look, Pikachu onesie and Chimicon slippers. I mean, yeah, that's. I just like being random sometimes. Oh jeez, I hate wasps. Yeah, wasps are coming out, so I'm not very sure if I want to go outside right now. Because they keep on stinging. I haven't been stung by a spider bee before, so I'm very lucky. Let's stay inside for a bit now. So yeah, I will be doing a face reveal soon. By the way, this video is a tribute to Lily Gumball Machine. She is one of my best friends at school. Here's my bird. Miku. She's called Miku. Yeah, since she's yellow, I was gonna call her Rin, but she was like Miku, and I was like, okay then.